tayo ngayon sa BTS station. Bibili tayo ng rabbit card or sa atin parang beep card. So sabi nila they need the passport in buying a rabbit card. So dala natin ngayon. Then pupunta tayo dito sa counter. And then bibili tayo ng isa. So this is the Latachero station. So kailangan nila ng passport. So here kailangan tayong pumila para makabili ng rabbit card. So itatanong natin kung magkano, and we hope we can buy one. So ito, may mga nakapila. Medyo mainit ngayon. So sabi nga nila mainit ang Bangkok. So it looks like nararamdam ko ngayon yung sobrang init. Okay, so we'll buy one. We'll buy one rabbit card. So we just have to show our passport pag bumili tayo. Hi. Can I buy a rabbit card?
The rabbit card, right?
Yes.
The rabbit card starts 200 baht.
Okay.
100 for issuing fee, cannot refund, and 100 baht to the value in the card.
Okay.
The rabbit card valid for 7
Okay. So if I'm going to give you 500, 100 for the card and 400 for the loan.
Okay.
Okay. So here I'll give you. Okay. Okay, so itatap na natin and then papasok na tayo. Wow, 400 yung laman. Okay. So to Keha. So dapat going south tayo. Hindi dapat going north. Okay, so it looks like to Phuket. Phuket. Okay. So tingnan natin dito. Okay, so sa kabila. So tingnan natin to Keha. So dapat dito. Okay, so akyat tayo. Ayan. And then here tignan natin. Ano na tayo? Sasakay na tayo.
Next station, Siam.
Siam.
Interchange with single line. Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
So bababa tayo sa Siam Station.
Siam. ประตูรถจะเปิดด้านขวา Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
So magbubukas sa kabila. Okay guys, so andito na tayo sa Siam. It looks like napakaraming tao rito. It's a Sunday. So expect mo na very busy. Pero pupunta tayo sa Siam Paragon or isa sa pinakamalaking mall nila dito. So titignan natin. Okay, so let's see here. tinatandaan lang natin kung saan tayo lalabas para mamaya alam natin kung ano yung sasakyan natin. Okay, sinundan ko lang itong dalawa. Yung pala ano to, backyard. Okay, so let's see here. Saan ba? Okay, so mag-exit ulit tayo. And then pupunta tayo sa Siam Paragon. Okay, so mag-exit ulit tayo. And then, ayun. So pipila na tayo rito. That's the out. Okay guys, mukhang ang init na talaga. So, daming tao. So, eto na. Okay, we have here the entrance. And then, okay. Wow, titingnan natin kung meron bang money exchange sa dito. So, medyo mabilis lang tayo. Okay. And then, let's check some of the mall. Tingnan natin yung mga tinda nila. Pag nagpalit tayo ng pera, ito yung super SCB exchange, right? So pag magpapalit, kailangan ng passport as required. So subukan natin magpalit. Ito na tayo guys. Okay, so this is the SCB exchange. So magpapalit na tayo. Okay, so ipapalit natin $100. Okay, how much? US dollars? 35.60. Okay, you need my passport? Okay guys, so ito na, pinapalitan niya. So kung titignan natin, ito yung mga exchange rate ngayon. So US dollar, may banknotes by TC. Okay, and then nagsasell din sila ng notes. So US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, Hong Kong dollar, lahat na. Okay, so ito na guys, binibilang na yung ating ano, kaya okay, binigay na. Okay, thank you. So bilangin natin 3,560. Okay, so I need to sign. Okay, so pipirmahan natin as required. So okay, ano na yung signature natin. Okay, so that's the signature. So ibibigay niya na sa atin. Thank you very much.